This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe if you bought the online service or you maybe want to add funds to your account or something like that. The easiest way to access the screen is to go all the way over to All Software. Then scroll on down to re-download software. And this will bring you to your account page. So select your user. And then it's going to load the Nintendo eShop, and it's going to be orange back and forth. And then we should have the option to go to Nintendo Switch Online right here. Then go to Membership Options, select this, and then we can scroll on down under here. So we see the free trial, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, whatever. But we want to go down to where it says Redeem Code. You can enter a Nintendo Switch Online membership code right here. So select this, and then enter in your code. And you should be able to confirm it now. Then once it's confirmed, we can back out and we can look at our subscriptions for Nintendo Switch Online. We can cancel it out, or we can go to our subscriptions right here and we can view it. So it says I don't have any passes right now, but hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.